back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher, vlogger, tour guide, Janice Fuentes 26 Philippines. Now an au pair, Janice Fuentes 26 Philippines, live here in Denmark, here in Thailand, in Liseberg, Gothenburg, Sweden, Amsterdam. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher, vlogger, tour guide, au pair, and by the grace of God, now a worship leader, a preacher, an event host, a volleyball player, a receptionist, and just lately the Philippine Consulate Assistant. 31 Philippines live here in Sweden! Oh my God, ang tagal ko nang di masabi yun. Okay, I don't know how to start this video, but maybe I will start it with saying thanks to the 20,000 subscribers that I have on YouTube. Thank you for staying kahit pinasa ko kayo na mag-upload ako ng video tapos hindi naman natutuloy. Thank you. Salamat. Kapun ka. Taksuyatemike. It's been forever since I uploaded a video in this channel, in this page, and this page has been quiet for a very long time. Actually, enough ko talaga siya. This was lost, but now it's found. And sa sobrang dami talaga na nangyari sa buhay ko. I don't know when was the last time that I uploaded a video, but here I am. I'm back for good. So there was this situation happened in my life lately na it made me realize to live life with a purpose. Na-realize ko na pwede ko palang i-share yung mga ideas ko, that all this experience that I have in my life is not an accident. Everything has a purpose. I realized that I can share ideas through my experiences, most especially those people who are seeking, answers on how to start their dream, living, working, and exploring abroad. By the grace of God, I will try my best to respond to all your questions about being an au pair, paano ako nagko-working visa, and life here in Sweden, life living in Europe, and to those who are asking about the Philippine Consulate services, pwede ko din ma-share yun sa inyo. And even sa pinaka-trending ko, sa nakita ko sa YouTube channel, which is about the Thailand beauty products. In this video, I have a favor to ask. As a good start, please comment down below with the topics that you want me to share with you. And I don't want to make this video long, kasi baka maboard na kayo sa pagmumukha ko. But yeah, just bear with me guys. Nakakamiss lang talaga mag-vlog. As in. Pero yeah. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.